Welcome to Kishore's NEET Pathshala. In this video lecture, we will see about significant figures which is in the chapter Units and Measurements. What are the rules to find out the significant figures? First rule is that all non-zero digits are significant. For example, the first number you see that all the four digits are non-zero digit. So it has four significant figures. What is the second rule? Let us see. All the zeros appearing between two non-zero digits are significant. For example, if you see this number, there are two zeros between two non-zero digits. So these two zeros are significant, and so that this number has four significant figures. Now let us see the third rule. The trailing zeros in the number. Trailing zeros means the zeros at the end in a number without a decimal point are insignificant. Okay, that is, they are saying that if the number is without a decimal point, all the zeros at the end are not significant. For example, if you see this number 2304000, this 0 is significant because it is between two non-zero digits 3 and 4. But these three zeros, they are not significant because the number is without a decimal point. So in the number without a decimal point, trailing zeros, that is the zeros at the end, are not significant. Now let us see the fourth rule. The trailing zeros in the number having a decimal point are significant. So if the number is having a decimal point and the number is also having the trailing zeros, then the trailing zeros are significant. For example, if you see this number 308.600, in this number there is a decimal point, and if there is a decimal point, the trailing zeros are significant. So these two zeros are also significant, and this 0 is also significant. Why this 0 is significant? Because it is between two non-zero digit 3 and 8, and these two zeros are also significant. Why? Because it is the trailing zeros after the decimal point. So this number has 6 significant figures. Next, fifth rule, let us see. If the number is less than 1, this is a very important case. From this case they ask numericals. Okay, if the number is less than 1, for example, if you see this number 0.002783, the zeros after the decimal point and before the non-zero digit are not significant. For example, here there are two zeros after the decimal point and before the non-zero digit 2. So there are two zeros. These two zeros are not significant. So here there are only four significant figures. What are those four significant figures? 2, 7, 8, 3. So only there are four significant figures. Next, this is the very important case. Suppose if they are giving like this, is a very important case. If they are giving like the powers, you should not see the powers at all, and you should also not see the units. You just see the number. 3 is a significant digit, 5 is a significant figure, 6 is a significant figure. All the trailing zeros after the decimal point are significant. This is the thing that we have learned in the rule 4. See the rule 4, we have learned that all the zeros after the decimal point are significant. So this 0 is also significant. Here also 3 is significant, 5 is significant, 6 is significant, and since this 0 is after the decimal point, this 0 is also significant. So all these number, they have four significant figures. All these number are having four significant figures. Okay, now let us work out some numericals so that you will get a very clear cut view. So how many significant figures are there in these measured values? First value is 227.2 gram. 2 is a non-zero digit, significant, so it is a significant. Next 2 is also significant. 7 is a significant figure, and this 2 is also a significant figure. So all these things are non-zero digits, so it has 4 significant figures. Now let us see the next question. Okay, this is the rule second. Rule third, we have seen that the trailing zeros are not significant if there is no decimal point. This number is not at all having any decimal point, so these two zeros, they are not significant. Only these two non-zero digit are significant, so it has two significant figures. Only 3 and 6 are significant. These two zeros are not significant because there is no decimal point. If you see this number is less than 1. What is the fifth rule we have seen? If the number is less than 1, the zeros after the decimal point and before a non-zero digit are not significant. So these two zeros, they are not significant. Only 6 is significant and 2 is significant, and in between the 0 is there. The zeros between two non-zero digit is significant, so this 0 is significant. So 6 is a significant figure, 0 is a significant figure, and 2 is also a significant figure, so it has 3 significant figures. C. According to the rule number 5, the zeros at the beginning are not significant. That is, they are saying that the zeros between the decimal point and between a non-zero digit, these zeros, they are not significant. Okay, now let us move on for the next numerical. Okay, how many significant figures are there in 2.50 into 10 power 10? I have said that whenever they are giving the power, you just neglect it. Okay, so 25th question. See, 2 is a significant figure, 5 is a significant figure, and we have learned that all the trailing zeros after a decimal point are significant. So this 0 is also a significant figure, so it has 3 significant figures. All the zeros after the decimal point are significant. All the trailing zeros, remember that all the trailing zeros after the decimal point are significant. Trailing zeros means the zeros which appears at the last after the decimal point. So this 0 is significant. Now let us see 26th question. How many zeros are significant in the following values? See, 60400. 26th question. First thing is the 60400. This is significant. This 4 is significant. This 0 is also significant because it is appearing between two non-zero digits. It has no decimal point. So all the trailing zeros in a number without decimal point, they are not significant. So it has 3 significant figures, but they are asking how many zeros are significant. Here only 1 0 is significant, so it has 1 significant 0. Now let us see the second option question. 0.03060. I said that the zeros between the decimal point and the non-zero digit, they are not significant. So this 0 is not significant, and this 0 is significant. It is significant because it is appearing between two non-zero digit 3 and 6, and all the trailing zeros, that is the trailing zeros means the zeros at the end after the decimal point are significant. So these two zeros are significant. Okay, we have learnt in the rule number 5 that all the trailing zeros after the decimal point are significant. Trailing zeros means only the zeros at the end. So these two zeros are significant, and this zero is also significant. So we have three significant zeros.